In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to use column feature, or how you can be able to insert columns in your Microsoft Word document. So the first thing you are supposed to do, make sure that you've typed your work very well. As you can see here, we've already typed our tech manual document, so we are going to use this document to be able to learn how to create or how to insert columns in your document. So as we had already learned earlier in our previous uh, videos, we've been able to interact with Microsoft Word. We've been able to learn different tabs, including Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, then References tab, Mailings tab, Review, and the View tab. We also said when you open a tab in Microsoft Word, it will be able to open for you a ribbon, and the ribbon consists of different groups. For example, Home tab, it has different groups like clipboard, font, the paragraph, half styles, and the editing. Then Insert tab consists, the ribbon for Insert tab consists groups like pages, tables, illustrations, links, head and footer, text, and then we have symbols. Layout will have under layout, we have themes, we have page setup, we have page background, we have paragraph, and then we have arrange. Then under references tab, we have the tables of content, footnotes, citation and bibliography, captions, index, and the table of authorities. Then the mailings have the same review, and then we have the review ribbon that consists of document views, show, zoom, window, then we have macros. So today, to be able to learn on how to insert or create columns in our Microsoft Word documents, we are going to use the page layout tab. So under page layout tab, we're going to use these groupings called page setup. So under page setup, you can be able to see we have different features. We have margins, orientation, we have size, we have columns, we have breaks, we have line numbers, then we have hyphenation. The hyphenation. So for today, we are going to learn on how we can be able to use these columns feature. So for example, you need to have columns, your paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 into two columns. So what we are going to do, you select the two paragraphs you need to insert your column. Then you click on this arrow pointing down on the columns feature. Then we're going to select more columns. Then we have different presets for columns. We have 1, then we have 2, we have 3, then we have left, then you can also arrange it to right. So for example, when you select 2, you'll be able to see the number of columns selected. There are 2. Then the spacing, there are usually spacing of 0.5 is okay. Then we have line between. Then this is the preview. So line between feature, once you select this, that means that you will have a line in between your columns. So let's start by first enabling the line between feature. Then we'll also use the one without the line. Then down here you can be able to see the equal column width has been enabled. Then you have to, where do you want to apply these instructions? So we'll apply them on our selected text, or you can also apply on the whole document, but for now we're going to use selected text. So you click OK. You'll be able to see that now the column 1 and the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 have been arranged well in columns. Then you can push a little bit the third paragraph, down there, you can see that the column line, it's only taking space for paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. So you can save your work if that is what you want to be done on your document, or rather, let's undo and try something else. Undo. Then whilst your paragraphs are still selected, come back on columns, more columns. Then we're now going to use 2 without a line between. Then you click OK. You can be able to see that now we have columns in our document, but this time we don't have a line in between. You can it is not only done on the first paragraphs, but you can also do it in between your document. Like for example, here you can use this feature. Let's select 3 paragraphs, then come back to columns, more columns, and select 3 columns. Then with a line between, click OK. So that means our 3 paragraphs will be aligned into 3 paragraphs. You can push this other paragraph down. So we have paragraph 1, 2, and 3. So it's not necessary that you apply your column feature to the whole document, but you can just apply to a selected place or selected paragraphs of your own choice. So guys, that's how you can be able to insert or use column features using Microsoft Word. Thank you very much for listening and learning together with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos.